Hello everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can remove number from block list in your device Vivo Y22s. So if you want to do so, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video and you will learn how to remove number from block list in your device Vivo Y22s.